Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Redmagic 8S Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System and Update and select Reset Options, Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now the most important ones will be things like music, photos, and user data. Anything else you can kind of just ignore it. But in any case, whatever you want, make a backup copy of it before you begin. And from there you can select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, then you will need to confirm it. And then select Erase All Data once more, which will begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take couple minutes, or maybe about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.